so nice.
Be free with me.
We're out here having fun. Well, I am anyway. This one's cringing. Is that a bit strong, mate?
It's the moment where I just thought, wow, it's just really overwhelming. I'm Elise, this is Lawrence, and this is our baby Nyh.
We're travelling the world
But we're going to be doing things a bit differently. We're going to be travelling a month.
and coming back to the UK and working a month. We're going to be travelling month on, month off.
Until this little one goes to school in a couple of years.
We want to see if it's actually possible to travel the world.
With a toddler in tow.
So subscribe and come along for the journey.
We've had a bit of a change of plan. We just drove to Naples, got to our hotel, and I hadn't checked the areas properly. I just thought Naples was Naples and that's where you stay. So I booked somewhere central like I've always been doing, and it was a lot. It was a bit intimidating. The parking was really far away, so we didn't end up staying there. So we found this little gem in, we don't even know what it's called. It's on a little bit that comes off by Napoli, and it looks beautiful. So we're just going to spend a few days here chilling, and yeah, you'll see that in the upcoming video. This place is just beautiful. Lawrence has very kindly booked this for me for an hour, so I'm going to have some chill time while Nyh is having a nap. So this is like a private area that you can book. Little jacuzzi here, sauna here, and those views. So this is just absolutely beautiful. This is just so nice. Wow. And I've just had a real moment. We literally haven't stopped in like 2 weeks. Like, it's been stressful at times, but it's been absolutely amazing. Like, we literally haven't stopped going from place to place. And I've just sat in this hot tub, and that's just really hit me what we're doing and how lucky we are to be able to do it, and how lucky we are to have each other. And I've got Lawrence, who's amazing, and Nyh, who's like just the cutest thing. And we're travelling the world, and we're lucky enough that our jobs let us do this, and we're in a position to be able to do this. I know it sounds really it's just the moment where I just thought, wow, so lucky. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing and all your lovely comments saying that we've inspired you to do travelling, and you love watching where we're going and on our Instagram, and it's just really overwhelming. So thank you. This is weird. Hey!
Ciao!
How weird is that?
The doors are off!
This is mad. What a view!
We're out here having fun. Well, I am anyway. This one's cringing.
Yeah!
Sunset with the roof off.
Woo, 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 woo.
Feel like I'm 18 again.
Oh wow, look at this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
How lovely is this water? So is at like 6 o'clock in the evening.
About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions. Get away. This is what we waited for.
Okay.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss
Nice eating
out.
sand.
I'm done living life with the lights out. Down alone now.
Kissing the camera. So Lawrence has wanted to come here for the 3 days that we've been here because it's specialities in seafood, and obviously he didn't get his sardines in the last place we went to, and it's literally in a cave, and it's a member of the Neapolitana safeguarding pizza, so it's going to be amazing. Cheers.
That's a bit strong, mate. Yeah.
Try this. I don't even know if I can pick it up.